Hi there, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Kommetjie and Long Beach. A nice place on a small day for learners to get out there on their boards and just slap around on the waves and hit back and relax for a while. If of course you enjoy the holiday version, there are lots of B&Bs nearby. Obviously a fantastic place to sit on the beach and enjoy a sundowner watching the sunset over there. Isn't that glorious? Kommetjie. Of course, it being the Atlantic, it's cold in summer and warm in winter. But it's worth waiting for the winter because the swell starts to pick up, and over that direction over there towards Hout Bay, you'll see dungeons, and over there is Sunset Reef, washing machine. Inside is Crons, a very nice little barrel ride for inside surfing. Yeah, amazing spot. Hey, this reminds me of the 80s when we used to have the Spur Stake Round surf about. Do you remember that, guys? Oh, that does age me. I'm sorry. Well, those were good days, and it'd be nice to see them again. Perhaps the Spur can get something going again. We'd definitely support that, I'm sure. Yeah, all that kelp over there certainly is reassuring to me because it does demonstrate that the coast is still alive, unlike many parts of Europe and the Mediterranean, which is pretty damn dead.